Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera bundle, and let me tell you, it's packed with everything you need to kickstart your photography or videography journey. The camera itself boasts a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digic 8 image processor, delivering impressive image quality. The 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen adds versatility to your shooting experience, and with UHD 4K 24p video capabilities, you're ready to capture stunning footage. The 9-point AF system and dual-pixel CMOS AF ensure sharp and precise focus, while the ISO range of 100 to 25,600 allows for flexibility in various lighting conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity makes sharing your content a breeze. Now, let's talk about the accessories in this bundle. The mini portable LED light and shotgun microphone enhance your video production, providing better lighting and audio quality. The camera backpack keeps your gear organized, and the 3PC filters kit, 58mm, allows for creative effects. With the included SanDisk 32GB and 16GB SD memory cards, you have ample storage for your creations. The bundle also features a wired remote control for convenient shooting, and the high-speed USB 2.0 memory card reader ensures quick and easy file transfers. The LPE17 battery pack and LCE17 battery charger keep you powered up, and the wide neck strap adds comfort during long shooting sessions. It's worth noting that a basic lens is not included, so you'll need to pick that up separately. Nevertheless, this Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera bundle is an excellent value, providing a comprehensive set of tools for both beginners and enthusiasts alike. If you're ready to elevate your content creation game, this bundle has you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.